We're gonna solve another power plant problem. So number one is energy generated by a 300 watts panel. So we have given is P or power is equals to 300 watts, time is equals to 5 hours. So the required is energy or E. So we have solution that E is equals to P times T. So we input the values. So we have energy is equals to 300 watts times 5 hours. So we got energy is equals to 1,500 watt per hour. So we have the next problem, the charge controller sizing. So we have given that there are 4 panels and each panel is equal to 8.3 amp that is wired in parallel. So we have required is the ampere total or IT, current total, and minimum controller rating. So we have solution A. Current total or IT is equals to each panel times the number of panel. So we have IT is equals to 8.3 ampere times 4. So we have IT is equals to 33.2 ampere. Then B, the minimum controller rating. We have 33.2 times 1.25. We have 41.5 ampere. But the recommended is 50 ampere.